Makiria ma ageni ngiri 8 nimekinyite kigomano-ini kia atumia kire kirathi na mbere bururi-ini wa Canada. President Uhuru Kenyatta ni umwe wa aria aria mendekithite kuongererwo kwa namba ya atumia mieke-ini ya utongoria. Thirikari ya President Uhuru ina atumia minister 6.
As a result of that, in my second term, 2 of those women were actually elected governors in their respective states.
Mworoto wa kigomano giki ni kuthondeka mitaratara ya kugacirithia uthii wa na mbere kuri airitu na atumia thi othe. Uhuru akiuge kuthi na mbere gutindika mbunge kubetukia watho wa kuiganania utongoria wa athuri na atumia bururi-ini.
We will continue to try and persuade our parliamentary colleagues that it is necessary for us to be able to pass this bill, because by so leaving such a huge section of our society out of mainstream body politic is basically like saying half your population is being left out.
Kulingana na Prime Minister wa Canada, bururi wake ni wibotorete gutigirira atumia ni magitire na kuheo gitio kire kimagiriire.
We set out with the Rebuilding of the Liberal Party of Canada a campaign to ask her to run, to get out and recruit women.
Gukiri ugwa atumia ni mabinyiriirio kwiyumiria na kwitikia ona momeno boti wa gutongoria tarume. Ngiribotera Uhuru TV, njitagwo Masi wadia wa Murithi.